Hey guys, welcome back to the Kingdom. Today we're going to be doing steak sauce or mayo with Emery, KSI, and Digital Farm Animals. Don't play. Let's see if they've got it.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play.
I'm already liking the music that they had. They had a little little harmony going in the background with it sounded like a cello almost, but could kind of bring you in there, and you can already see this song is gonna kind of follow a little bit of a story, but we'll have to see. I'm liking her voice too. It sounds very melodic.
Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah.
All that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get.
I like how she's punching to the beat. Boom, 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 boom to track it. How do you like it?
All that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. Now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games, don't.
Yeah, that's an interesting style the KSI did this time. Instead of being more lyrical, he decided to go more pop. Kind of like what he did with his song that it just hit platinum too. But kind of what he likes to do is make a more pop verse, whereas a lot of his other songs have been more rap. So instead of listening for like a really nice bar, instead of that, you hear more melodic, something that you hear on the radio. It's "Don't Love," by the way, that he hit platinum on.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit.
I like the little things that you see on the guy's helmet, the Digital Farm Animals helmet. That's "Let's Go." There's the little things that I like in the music video.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. All the things you doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're.
Lady turned into a fucking superhero. What the fuck? She's like, bah! Get out of my house. Get kicked through a wall. What the fuck? I always like how they try and build like a superhero theme into KSI's music videos. Not always, but for the most part. I mean, he loves a lot of different anime. But I just think it's hilarious that there's always someone getting kicked through walls.
Yeah, boy, I've played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street.
You just say you're on time, but still won't listen. I mean, hey, some people really don't get it. So, where do you say that?
Win them all.
Cause now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. it feels.
Damn, this chorus is gonna get stuck in my head. I already know. I already know I'm gonna be streaming later and going, dude. It's just one of those choruses that you'll hear on the radio and you'll be like, damn, this is gonna be in my head for like 10 years, which is a good thing, right? Obviously for the song and stuff, but I hate when I get those songs stuck in my head. I'm just like, man, this is the rest of my year.
Games, don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, don't play, don't play games with my heart. Ooh.
Why is she dressed up so nice for a fight? Like right here, she's like, in the gym or whatever. She has like her, like, I don't know what they're called, but like wraps on stuff for her hands. Why is she dressed up like so nice for a fight in the dirt? Like maybe I would get you'd be, dressed up and ready to fight in like a ring like she's in now. But like in the dirt, you dress that nicely. You better fucking win, dude. I mean, obviously she's going to, but yeah.
Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play.
Motherfucker had a smile on her face when she kicked her ass. She got a kick in the head and smiling. That's fucking jokes, man. That's great. Great time to pause it on his face. But yeah, this song is definitely steak sauce, brothers. Not my preferred style, right? I like a little more lyrical type of song, but at the same time, I have to admit, one, it did its job. It's gonna be stuck in my head for the rest of the day, right? Definitely make it on the playlist that you're going in the car, freaking driving somewhere. You're like, fucking like throw on a playlist, bang, this comes on, I'm singing to it, right? Definitely steak sauce, brothers. Definitely steak sauce. So, hey guys, make sure for like the two of you that managed to make it to the end of the videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see me do, other songs, throwback songs and stuff, just tell me. Or even new songs. You're like, oh, you should react to this. It came out a couple days ago. But go follow me on my Twitch as well. I stream Monday through Friday, about 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. But, ladies and gentlemen, I'll catch you later. Peace.